Hey guys, so what's up? Welcome to a Day with Jo, where I talk about my life or the random things I do on a daily basis. So for today's video, I'll be doing an updated version of my room tour or my bedroom tour, because I posted an Instagram story that if you're not yet following, you should follow. Now, if you want to see an updated bedroom tour, and like a bunch of you guys said yes, but like there are 2 people who said no. So sa mga nagsabi ng no, sana masarap yung ulam niya today. Because like the last bedroom tour that I did was just like a bunch of videos or montage videos that, you know, it's really I'll be specific, especially with the details, and I'll be giving some tips and advices to my viewers or to my friends who are currently watching. Nah, if you want to renovate your room or redecorate your room. So yeah, if you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. So thank you guys. Magpapalam na ako. But yeah, let's move on to the video.
Yo, Am, you ready? Alright, let's go.
Phone kasi tinatamad akong mag-camera. But okay, so when you enter the room, you'll be greeted by that plant, which is a Calathea lutea plant. I actually bought that sa QC Circle, and I'll just leave the Instagram link or in the Instagram account of the person that I bought it from. I'm a big grammar ko, but yeah. The next thing is the most aesthetic or the most Pinterest inspired headboard that I ever had is this one. So dati actually ba yung look niyan, I actually had that frame na may leaves dyan, but then when I came back from Boracay, I was like I wanted to change things a bit, so ginawa ko na lang siyang mirror para to make the room bigger. Kasi nga malit yung kwarto, as you can see. Super liit niya lang. Ayan, super liit niya lang talaga. The reason why I don't buy a lot of fake flowers or fake plants or fake green plants, even though they look like real for real, is that they don't give the same amount of joy that real plants give to me. And like some people may don't get it, because some people might have anxiety kasi pag umalis sila ng bahay, feeling nila na parang, shucks, nandiligan ko ba yung plant ko. But for me, it gives off like an amount of joy that when I wake up every morning, I feel like it gives me like calmness. But I don't know if you get me, but yeah. But if you don't want to buy real plants, I suggest buying flowers or plants that when are dried looks pretty or looks nice in your room, like this one. It's I forgot yung basta yung parang ganun na flower, ganun na plant. Then this one, I ordered this sa Shopee for 600. It's a bit expensive lalo kapag mga ganito yung mga pampas, but yeah, but like that you can buy that sa Dangwa for like 80 pesos per bundle. Right after my headboard, you can see my beautiful white bed na kinakabahan ako kapag namamansyahan ko, kaya di ako masyadong kumakain dito. But yeah, so this bed is a king size bed. So if you're single, I do not recommend this kind of bed because it makes you feel 10 times more single. Okay, so I bought this sa HMR. Yan, HMR, and then some pillow. Ba yun? Then this one naman, I bought this sa H&M. This is the only thing. No, this is my first item that I bought from H&M. Kasi sabi ko, pag gusto ko magkaroon ng kama, gusto ko may ganito. Actually, nagagamit ko siya minsan sa ginagamit ko siyang kumot, and it feels comfortable naman. It's not itchy, but it looks like, but yeah. This one naman, I bought this bed table or breakfast table sa Ace Hardware. It's only for 800 pesos, and it looks so nice, and then the wood is really sturdy. This used to be my sister's chandelier and it has crystals. I just removed the crystals and then turn it into a beautiful masterpiece to match the whole theme of my bedroom, which is beachy type, light, airy, plants, you know, which is my branding kahit sa Instagram. Wow. Guys, meron pala ako another detail sa kama ko, but like, if you're gonna sleep now, if you're like feeling sleepy and you want to set up the vibe, you can turn off the lights, and then meron akong switch dito. And then 1, 2, 3. Boom! Hotel vibes. I mean, call me interior design. Hindi ko nang ginagawa is the Christmas lights. Like the Christmas lights, it depends on how you place the Christmas lights, but to me it's really dirty, it's really messy, especially in the morning. It looks nice in the pictures, again, it looks nice in the pictures, but then when you see it personally, ang dumi niya tignan, lalo kapag nakikita mo siya like exposed. Like Christmas lights, I chose the lamp na nakatago sa likod ng kama ko para alam mo yun, it's really malinis siya tignan. And yun. If you don't want the traditional frame, I suggest having shelves like above your bed so that you could personalize it or change it to whatever kind of decoration that you want to put. I always change it like after 2 months, I guess, or whenever I feel like it. Another thing that I had in mind when decorating my room is that I don't want to put up some posters on the wall. Anything that involves mounting tapes, kasi when I remove it or when I plan to redecorate my room, it leaves a sticky residue, which is I don't want, kasi it will ruin my wall. Especially my wall is really white, so it really attracts a lot of dust, so every time, like every month, I always wipe the wall. Yeah, I never again, like nagkaroon ako ng face noon na meron ako a bunch of Polaroids on my wall. Wala na, ang clutter niya tignan, ang gulo niya tignan. Bedroom, which is the vanity area / the study table. This is where I do everything, like from studying to doing some work, doing podcasts, and then would you look at that? Barely adults. Yeah, I'm also doing I'm currently doing a podcast together with my friends Sean, Anna, and Ella. We're doing a podcast about adulting in our generation. Like another dried plant, I have cactuses here. This cactus is from Munting Taniman. Danny gave this to me, and this is another cactus. But like guys, tingnan siya. I don't know, it's not really straight. Feeling ko bakla to, but yeah. It used to be my study table, yeah. But then I got too hooked up with this. So that's why ginagawa ko na lang siyang lalagyan na ng mga notebooks ko, sketches, my art. And then these macrame wall hanger. I did this way back 2017, I guess. And then I was like planning to sell a bunch of these, but then I got too lazy to do a lot. So sabi ko, meh, yun na lang muna. But yeah, walang ending na laundry na hindi ko pa naka-fold. I just wanna be real with you guys. It's not everyday na parang aesthetic yung kwarto ko sometimes. Or like, if not sometimes, always may dumi sa kwarto ko. And then yun, itong kama na to, it doesn't look like that every day, every single day. So that wraps up today's video, which is my updated room tour or bedroom tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the room tour, and if you want to know where I bought my dried flowers or any details that you want to know or ask me, you can just type them in the comment section below. And if you like these kinds of videos, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you soon on the next video. This has been me, Jayo, signing off.